Let us understand these two very wonderful concepts of physics, and that is advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Now firstly, understanding advanced sunrise. What does advanced sunrise mean? It means that even though the sun has not risen, we are still able to see the sun. So exactly what happens is the sun appears to rise 2 minutes earlier before time. Let's understand how this magic happens. Now for this, we have this earth, and on this earth we have this observer, and this observer is actually the person who is observing the advanced sunrise. Now students, we know that earth is surrounded by atmosphere, and this atmosphere is of different layers. So here we'll make this line of horizon, or you can say the line of vision for this particular observer. So actually things below the horizon the person is not able to see. So right now the sun is below the horizon. So as sun is below the horizon, the observer should not be able to see the sun. But let's see what exactly happens. So even though the sun is slightly below the horizon, what happens is the rays of light from the sun, when they go towards the earth, after touching the atmosphere, they undergo refraction. And when they undergo refraction, they turn and go into the observer's eye. That is taking a curved path. But for the observer, he sees straight. So when the observer is looking, he feels that the rays of light are coming from a position above. So even though the sun is below the horizon, because of refraction, the observer feels that actually the light is coming from a point above, and he sees the sun above, and this sun is called the apparent sun. Now students, this was the wonderful phenomena of advanced sunrise. So let's understand what is delayed sunset. I think you have understood the gist of it, right? All we have to do is think opposite. Now when it comes to delayed sunset, what is delayed sunset? The sun appears to set 2 minutes late. That means even though the sun has set, we still keep on looking at the sun, or we can see the sun for 2 minutes. Let's see how this happens. This is Earth and the atmosphere surrounding the Earth. This is the line of horizon, or you can say the line of vision. And here's our observer. Now we know this time again the sun has already set. That means the sun is below the horizon. So even though the sun is slightly below the horizon, what happens again is the rays of light from the sun, after reaching the Earth's atmosphere, undergo refraction. And after undergoing refraction, they take a curved path, and after taking a curved path, go into the observer's eye. But the observer feels the light is coming from a point above. So when the light is coming from a point above, even though the sun has set, the observer feels the sun is in this position, and that is the apparent position of the sun. So students, this is how advanced sunrise and delayed sunset actually happens. So actually, in this way, the length of each day increases by 4 minutes. 2 minutes during advanced sunrise and 2 minutes during delayed sunset. So because of this, the length of a day increases by 4 minutes. And why this happens? Of course, because of the atmosphere. So if Earth had no atmosphere, this effect would not occur. Thank you.